The Donner Party, a group of almost 90 American pioneers, became trapped in the Sierra Nevada mountains in the winter of 1846 to 1847. They attempted to travel to California from Illinois, but encountered a series of misfortunes and delays that stranded them in the mountains. They tried a shortcut that took longer than expected and found themselves inundated by a snowstorm in late October. Some tried to make camp while others pressed on for help, but befell tragedy and only 7 managed to make it to a village of Native Americans. Many members of the party died from starvation, exposure, and disease. The oxen provided food, but disputed accounts also reported cannibalism. Multiple rescue expeditions set out in January, reaching the survivors on February 19th. Getting to Sutter's Fort took until April. About 45 of the party survived.